Hi everyone, where we break down the best strategies to help you build wealth through real estate. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, today's video will give you actionable insights to maximize your returns and minimize risks. So, if you're serious about investing in real estate, stick around till the end. Real estate has consistently proven to be one of the most stable and profitable investment opportunities. Here's why. Cash flow. Monthly rental income can provide a steady stream of passive income. Appreciation. Over time, property values increase, building long-term wealth. Leverage. With real estate, you can use financing to acquire properties without needing the full purchase price upfront. Tax benefits. Investors can benefit from deductions, depreciation, and lower capital gains taxes. Now, let's dive into the best strategies to invest in real estate. 1. Buy and hold strategy. This is one of the most popular strategies, where you buy properties and rent them out for consistent cash flow. Ideal for long-term wealth building. 2. Fix and flip. Buy a property at a lower price, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. High returns, but requires good market knowledge and renovation expertise. 3. Real estate investment trusts REITs. Perfect for those who don't want the hassle of managing properties. Invest in REITs and earn returns similar to direct real estate ownership. 4. Short-term rentals Airbnb strategy. Turn your property into a short-term rental for higher daily rates, maximizing profitability in high-demand locations. 5. House hacking. Live in one unit of a multi-family property while renting out the others. A great way to offset mortgage costs. Real estate investing isn't without risks. Here are some mistakes you must avoid. Not researching the market trends and local property demand. Overleveraging and taking on too much debt. Underestimating renovation costs in fix and flips. Ignoring tenant screening in rental properties. Success in real estate requires knowledge, patience, and the right strategy. Here are final tips. Build a strong network of real estate professionals. Stay updated on market trends and laws. Always run the numbers before investing. Now that you know the best strategies to invest in real estate, which one are you interested in? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real estate investing tips. See you in the next video.